Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So infographics are one of the best ways to turn complex information into clear visual content. NotebookLM can help you generate the research, summaries, key statistics, and structure needed to create an infographic much faster. So while NotebookLM is primarily a research and knowledge tool, it can help organize information into infographics or infographics ready content that you can refine and edit before exporting to a design platform. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to make and edit an infographic in NotebookLM in 2026. So first thing, create or open a notebook. Okay, so open NotebookLM and create a new notebook or select an existing one. Good infographic topics include research projects, business reports, studies guides, industry trends, market analysis, educational topics. So keep each notebook focused on a single topic. Okay, so upload your resources, like upload files from here, okay, which means that like sources that you will use to add the materials you want NotebookLM to analyze. For example, PDFs, research paper, reports, articles, notes, statistics, documents. So NotebookLM will use these sources to identify the most important information. So better sources create stronger infographic content. Then ask NotebookLM to summarize the topic, like before creating an infographic. You generate a concise summary, like for example, you can type summarize this topic for an infographic, extract the most important facts. You can also say identify key takeaways, like for example, create a visual summary outline. Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.